everywhere treating your helmet like a lunchbox, son.
And a cast of small wonders.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
In the story of a gridiron miracle. Little Giants.
I'll show you intimidation.
Rated PG. Starts Friday, October 14th.
Fox Sunday Night continues with host John Madden.
Now that I'm part of the NFL on Fox broadcast team, I'm often asked, who's the best coach you ever saw? Well, since working on the movie Little Giants, I can definitely tell you who my favorite coach is, Rick Moranis. Because if all the coaches I coached against were like him, I'd still be coaching. Hey, thanks for watching Fox Tonight. Here comes some more fun, and I know you're going to like it.
You know how to listen. You listen with your whole body, your hands, your eyes, your face. You believe that people already know the answers. They just need to hear them out loud. So you listen. Introducing Time Bank. Only Time Bank awards you 1 free minute for every 5 you spend on the phone. When was the last time you were rewarded for something you're already doing?
It's Red Lobster's Lobster Fest, our once-a-year celebration.
It's a lobster party, a make-tail celebration. Got rocktails on the fire. Ooh, this is your invitation. It's the grandest, it's the grandest lobster fest. Woo!
Now's your one chance to try new lobster appetizers and 7 of the most exciting lobster dinners ever, all specially priced.
It's the grandest, it's the grandest lobster fest.
Only at Red Lobster.
With up to 210 horsepower, it's got power to spare. Introducing the all-new 1995 Eclipse from Mitsubishi. The new thinking in automobiles.
Seduction.
What do you see in her anyway?
Betrayal.
I'll make you something for this, Michael.
Murder.
There are no known survivors.
An all-new Melrose Place, Monday. Melrose doesn't have the only bad boy on Monday night.
I have no desire to be one of your many conquests.
Get to know Charlie on a brand new Party of 5, Monday.
You've read the tabloids.
Roseanne Barr.
You've heard the rumors.
My name's Tom Arnold.
But you've never seen the whole story.
Let me in, Roseanne! You cannot shut me out!
Until now.
Everybody stand down!
Roseanne, an unauthorized biography, a world premiere movie, Tuesday at 8, 7 Central on Fox.
Catch the season premiere of The George Carlin Show.
Hey, pal. How's it feel to be back?
Hey, I'd rather scrape a tattoo off of Roseanne.
Next Sunday after Married with Children.
It's what's under the cap that counts.
Every picture in my store tells someone's story. I've developed thousands of pictures over the years. And each and every one is on Kodak paper, because when I see Kodak on the back, I know I'll get Kodak quality on the front. And that's important, because when all is said and done, the one thing we all have to hold on to is our memories.
Ask for Kodak paper, the sign of a great photo finisher.
LYCRA, the brand that moves. Only by DuPont.
Slow roasting gives roast beef its big taste. It's heaped sky high in the Giant, and now it's just $1.99. Arby's. It's better out here.
Bart's misbehaving.
Bart! Over the lips and past the gums. Look out, dentures, here I come.
And his dad's got to become a disciplinarian.
Young man, since you broke Grandpa's teeth, he gets to break yours.
Can Homer lay down the law?
Can you just give me a spanking?
Don't point that thing at me.
Or will he lay down on the job?
Bart, are you pulling up the carpet? Why are you letting him do this?
I don't know.
The Simpsons.
Monday at 6:30 on Fox 33.
What's in a can of Coca-Cola? Monster savings. When you bring a Coca-Cola product to Frightfest at Six Flags. Together, it's a chilling experience with more thrills than ever. 4 big haunted houses, the Maze of the Lost Pharaohs, Dr. Blood, Urania's Tombs of Doom, and more. All at a price that'll make you scream for more. So grab a Coke and a friend or two, because you won't want to come alone. Six Flags, Frightfest, and Coca-Cola. Always a thrill.
Hi, this is James Brown with the McDonald's Game Break. It was a sluggish start for the San Francisco 49ers today, spotting Detroit 14 points before rolling off 27 unanswered points and taming the Lions. Atlanta got 88 yards from Craig Hayward today in a true team effort in the Falcons' 34-13 whipping of the Buccaneers. San Diego's 14-point win over Kansas City makes the Chargers 5-0 for the first time since 1961. And Denver finally got its first victory of the season.
Now, buy any McDonald's extra value meal, and for just 39 cents more, you can supersize it for more fries and more drink. Plus, you'll get a super ticket that could win you one of 200 trips for 2 to this year's Super Bowl in Miami. Just scratch your super ticket to reveal your number. Then take it to McDonald's to see if it's a winner. It could be worth a free trip for 2 to Super Bowl 29.
Free Super Bowl tickets? Yeah, where's the sport in that?
First in line for Supersize.
The ticket freebie, fella.
Hurry into McDonald's to see if you're a winner.
Sergeant Superticket. Mr. Going to Miami, man.
Brandon takes a stand that could turn everyone against him.
If you do this, I'm never going to speak to you again.
A brand new 90210 Wednesday.
From the North Pole, 2 renegade elves leave on a mission to deliver an amazing new game that will change every Sonic game ever created for Genesis.
We're never going to make it.
We'll make it. We'll make it. Sonic and Knuckles arriving October 18th. Maybe.
We've been called a lot of things.
Whippersnappers.
Dreamers.
Prosperous?
Never.
So until
the book deal
or the movie deal hits.
We remember 2 things.
Call everybody collect.
And know the code.
Yeah.
Know the code. 1-800-CALL-ATT. It costs less than 1-800-COLLECT. Always.
Now the people we call
might call us thrifty.
Want a price that's always lower than 1-800-COLLECT? Know the code. Dial 1-800-CALLATT.
Your true voice.
Get ready.
Hold on to your butts.
The adventure begins all over again. Look out! Down! Be the first to get your copy of Steven Spielberg's Jurassic Park. Now on video cassette.
Let's go out to the kitchen. Let's go out to the kitchen. Let's go out to the kitchen and have ourselves a snack.
Ice cold milk. Help yourself.
This is one long game.
They even ran out of food.
The fans must be hungry.
Call for a large 2-topping crunchy thin crust pizza and get a medium 1-topping pizza free.
Al's Shoe Store gets a new look.
There'll be bidets and Michael Bolton music and a place where they can breastfeed.
On a brand new Married with Children tonight. Slugger Frank Valente just bought a tropical island.
This is gonna be great. I can run around naked, do whatever I want.
But when he tries to evict the natives...
I'm gonna pack up the canoes and scram. They're trespassing.
Will he lose his good guy image?
When Kim Basinger bought that town in Georgia, she let the people stay.
She also slept with Prince.
A brand new Hardball. Coming up next. Little Giants Night continues in just a few minutes with hosts John Madden and Ed O'Neill. And check out Fox next Sunday as George Carlin returns with brand new episodes and the same great attitude.
Bite me.
Catch the season premiere of The George Carlin Show 1 week from tonight and feel the love.
Blow it out your beanbag.
Now stay tuned for an all-new episode of Hardball next.